Hey everyone, this is Anjali. It's a day two of my English learning journey. So I am recording myself because I want to improve my English. And it's a day two because yesterday I uploaded day one video and I kept promise to myself that I will upload at least 30 days daily with a positive way because before times when I started learning English I speak but not clear, and these things also happens with me right now. Like sometimes I stuck, sometimes my pronunciation goes wrong. So yeah, that's why I'm recording. And when I speak out loud, then my pronunciation sometimes wrong. And when I speak in my mind, then like I feel like wow, what English these things happens to everyone who want to speak English. Like many people says I want to speak English and I uh, speak in my mind in a very better way, but come to when I come to speak English in front of other, like out loud, then I stuck. Same things happens with me, exactly same things. So that's why one day I asked ChatGPT why these things happens with me. Then ChatGPT said, because you are not speaking out loud. Okay, so many I watched many videos on YouTube channel. Many teachers, many trainers said like says that if you want to speak, if you want to be fluent, you have to record yourself. You have to speak in front of the mirror. But I started recording in my mobile and uploaded because I seen that many people started from the scratch but now like a pro. So that's why I'm recording. And if you are beginner, if you are watching my videos, then please be a part of my journey. And if you are better than me in English, then please correct me where I do mistake. And if you like this video, then like. If you don't like, don't like. Okay, so yeah, so it's around 1 o'clock and it's a winter right now. My room was completely packed. My room completely packed, and it's going on winter vacation. So I was just studying right now. I studying economics because I like to study. Yeah, and I just started preparing for exam. So I thought I should study, and I just came back to warming myself by fire. So yeah, it's around, as I said, 1 o'clock. So I thought that if this time is peace in my room, so I should record my video because after then I don't know I have time or not. I will be so I will be. Uh, I want to say that just I am studying economics, and after this video I will also do study because I have to complete my my task. I Yesterday night I make a task on my copy. I don't write my task in mobile because mobile screen time, I don't like to increase my screen time. That's why. So I will tell you in my uh, recording my journey, or what is the situation around me. So yeah, and I'm not using a script, any type of script. So as I told you, it's a day two. I hope that I will be consistent because I know everything. I know the task. I know the daily routine. I know the discipline. But because I'm not consistent, I'm not uh, I'm not able to improve my English. I watched many videos. I know that how to pronunciate that, how to what is the word meaning, what is that. But still I am not able to express because I will not use. I never use. But now I will use and I will express. So 2025 I used to blog. That's why my fluency like this. So if you want to express yourself, you have to start vlog. Okay, Vlogging is the best thing if you want to improve your English. So that's it for today. See you in the day 3. Bye bye.